Joel, let's do it, man. 1, 2 top, 3, 4 middle, 5, 6 bottom, WWE. 5, 6 bottom, number 9. 3, 6, 7, or 8. 7. What? Yep, always. Doesn't matter if it's a billion pounds. Doesn't matter if it's a feather or a billion pounds.
It's cool to do Kenny's or if you want.
You can do it. Just print it. Or add up his 2 orders and print it up. Should be 4 pounds, whatever, 10 ounces.
Yeah, so you're just sending it.
Priority? Yeah. Chris, is Mander in my... Yeah, Mander is. Amanda is, yeah. Amanda, you're in Jacobs. Yeah. Didn't want to get jested or funged. Jason Reck, I don't know if you're still here, man. I didn't even see. I saw that you asked how many were left. I didn't even see that you got in. Jason Record. But yeah, you got 2 spots. That break was already full when I said there was 4 left. Damn. I'll break it next, Barry. M. Hockey. I never asked you, Barry. What's M. Hockey stand for? I always call you Barry Cry. Oh, you bet, Barry. New Jested logo. What does that mean? July to me, I say. What's that from? Oh. July to me, man. July to me. I like that. I never heard that before. Oh, gotcha, Barry. I felt like I had to sneeze. And I did. Oh, there's one. Simon Gotch. Sin Cara. Oh, Maki. Maki Chris. $1.99. Yeah, Joel Shaw. Okay. I think we got our hits. You got one of those metal cards. I don't remember seeing one of those. UFC, top of the morning to you. TJ Dillashaw. Number to 199, John Bone Jones. Just one of his relics. Jared Rosholt. Relic autograph. That looks red. Maybe it's his shorts. Anyway, not numbered. And TJ Dillashaw. TJ. Frankie Edgar. There's a white tip on the back of that card. I don't know if you can see it on that corner. Slight white tip. Frankie Edgar. That will do, sir. Joel Shaw. Thanks, buddy.